Brand new hopper cars. The graffiti artists haven't gotten to them yet. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, today I'm in Brunswick, Maryland on a beautiful January day. It's like 55 degrees out, few clouds in the sky. It is really nice. Right behind me there is the CSX Brunswick yard. And then as I spin around here and you guys don't get too dizzy, right here is the MART commuter rail station. So should catch a few CSX trains coming here. And matter of fact, I see one right now. It's an autorack train. He's coming right out of the yard. Well, I thought we'd get a little more train action today, being right next to the CSX yard, but we caught one train and then one kind of shunting back and forth, making up a train, but he never came back out of the yard. He must have gone eastbound. So I think that's going to do it here from Brunswick, Maryland. And on that note, traveler saying, see you by the rail.